These are the best gosh darn oven baked chicken legs on the interwebs.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone. This recipe is one that is made quite often in my household for a regular dinner, especially when I get chicken legs on sale at the grocery store. The coating mix is super simple. It's 2 teaspoons of paprika, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of dried rosemary, a teaspoon of parsley flakes, half a teaspoon of ground pepper, half a teaspoon of ground mustard, and then just stir it together. There's enough coating mix here, spice mix, to coat 6 large chicken legs, or say 8 if they're on the smaller side. So you'll take your chicken pieces, rinse them, and pat them dry and put them in either a large bag like I did here or in a bowl. And I had 5 chicken legs, so I added 1 chicken thigh in there. Then you'll add a tablespoon of olive oil to the bag, and then you're just going to toss those chicken pieces around in the oil to get them nicely coated. And then finally, you'll add your spice mix. In this case, I just toss it in the bag, seal the bag up, and then just shake it and move it around until all the chicken is coated. And all the coating will go on the chicken. There won't be any left in that bag. Now you'll need a baking dish. This is an 8 by 11 inch baking dish. I coated mine with cooking spray. Gonna plunk the chicken in there and move it around so that it's in a single layer in that pan. And you're gonna bake this at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes until this chicken is done. And that means when the internal temperature of that chicken is about 180 degrees Fahrenheit. At the halfway point, after about 20 minutes, take the chicken out of the oven and flip it over and then continue to bake until it's done. Here it is on the plate. These make for very nice and juicy chicken legs. The coating is delicious. You may want to play around with the level of salt in these. The original recipe asks for a teaspoon and a half of salt. I find that a little too much, so I reduce it to a teaspoon. I served it with some roasted potatoes, which I put in the oven at the same time as the chicken legs, and some broccoli. And the title of this recipe is spot on. They really are the best damn oven baked chicken legs out there. You should give them a try and let me know what you think. Now, including this recipe, I will now have 43 chicken recipes on this playlist. If you're looking for something to make for dinner, check out this playlist and I'm sure you're going to find a recipe that you will want to try. And thank you so much for watching.